Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to extrude walls and create windows and doors in SketchUp using this simple floor plan. Before we start, it's very important to make sure that your floor plan is clean, meaning there are no duplicate lines and overlapping curves. And also try to organize everything using layers or tags as much as possible. This will make your workflow much easier later, especially when you start making modeling and 3D modeling and adding material and texture. So let's get started. First, if you don't have these tags or layers, I'm going to show you how to create them. So open your default tray and then scroll down and find the tags. So here I have two floor plans, and so I created two folders, right? If you have one floor plan, I would say maybe it's really good for you guys to create a folder and then drag everything, all the layers, and on one your specific folder. So if you want to add a folder, so just click on the add tag folder and name it. I already named this folder plan 01, and then I'm going to add for example layers for windows, walls, and furnitures and doors, right? So if you want to create this, so click on the plan 01 and then go ahead and add one tag or tags for all of your elements that you have in your floor plans, right? So it's like a sub layers in Rhino. When you have a layer, so you can create the sub layers in Rhino. Here you can add tags. So once your layers is ready, I'm gonna show you how you can turn off or turn on the windows or just layers that you have. So for example, I'm gonna I'm gonna select this window, right, and hold shift and select for example all of those lines, and then go to entity because I already added to the layer, but I'm going to show you you guys, if you created this layer, so you have to add this. You have to select your window or door and then go in entity info and then select that, and then just select the window, for example, because I already selected this, right? So I'm going to select the window, and so right now I have like a layer for this window. If I go here and turn off the window, and you see all of my windows just are hide, right? So I don't see any window here because they have their specific layers here. So I'm going to turn it on, and that's it. It's for layer. So now you can easily turn each layer on or off to control visibility while you're modeling. Now that I've created the layers for all of the 2D drawings in SketchUp, I'm ready to start modeling the floor plan, extruding the walls, and then adding the windows and doors. So in SketchUp it's a little bit different from right now. Before you can extrude anything, so you need to have faces, right? So right now we only have lines, so we'll need to create planes or faces for our walls first. To do this, I'm going to use the rectangle tools to generate the faces. For example, actually I'm gonna turn off the window and also door and furnitures, and you see the interior and exterior walls over here. So go to shapes and toolbars, and you can select rectangle, or you can type R and then drag one rectangle from here, and you see the faces, right? But I don't get the faces here, right? So I'm going to drag another rectangle from there to here, and you see all the interior and exterior walls got these faces, right? The one thing I want to mention that is I created this. It's actually I exported the floor plan from Rhino to SketchUp. That's why I don't get this all the faces for the walls and exterior walls and interior walls. But if you already drew your floor plan in SketchUp, you get all the faces for the interior and exterior walls and windows and doors as well. So um, the next step is I'm going to clean up all the where I don't have walls, so I don't need these faces, and so I'm going to just delete all those, select that, and then delete those faces as well. Next, I'm gonna show where I have windows and so door as well, right? So next, um, I'm going to use the push and pull tool to extrude all these faces. So you can activate by either pressing the P key on your keyboard or even selecting it from toolbars here. So you see on the top, so you see the push and pull tools. So I'm gonna start with selecting this wall from here. So as you see, if you select the wall, so you see these dots, so you can drag this and I get to extrude it up. So I'm gonna give it the height, so it was the exterior walls, so I'm gonna say it's 11 feet, and so I'm gonna type 11 feet and hit enter. And that's all. So you can easily just extrude all these exterior walls using the also you can using the push and pull. And then also if you don't want to, like for example, type the height of the wall, so you can find the endpoint of these extruded walls that you already extruded. So you can just select this and then just find this endpoint and then hit enter. So same with this wall. So I'm gonna just pull this up and then let's see. So I'm going to do same for all the wall that I have. Same for interior wall. So I'm gonna select this, and interior walls I'm going to give it the height for 10 feet and hit enter. So again select this and then find the endpoint of this wall and extrude all these interior walls.